Choosing interior paint colors isn't just about beauty. It's also about how color can change the atmosphere, shape the character of a room, and even reflect your personality. Behr, one of the leading interior paint brands, offers a palette that's elegant, modern, and full of character. And in this video, we'll be exploring 10 of the best Behr interior paint colors to bring your home to life. So make sure to watch until the end to find the shade that best suits your home's style. And don't forget, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more home design inspiration. Number 1. Jackfruit from Behr. If you're dreaming of a bright, warm, and energizing space, Jackfruit is the perfect choice. This vibrant, yellow shade brings a lively atmosphere, filling the room with cheerfulness at any time. It's ideal for living rooms, kitchens, or dining areas to inspire warmth and positivity. In addition, Jackfruit pairs beautifully with neutral furniture in shades of white, light gray, or natural wood, creating a balanced and visually pleasing look. Number 2. Lunar Surface from Behr. Lunar Surface offers a soft and contemporary impression. The blend of gray with gentle green undertones and subtle hints of blue makes this color perfect for creating a calm and soothing atmosphere. It's ideal for bedrooms, workspaces, or relaxation areas. This color's character is also highly versatile. It pairs beautifully with light wood or white palettes to achieve a clean, modern, minimalist look. Number 3. Brook Green from Behr. For nature lovers, Brook Green offers a soft, refreshing feel that evokes nostalgia for misty autumn mornings or cool afternoons. This color is perfect for natural, Scandinavian, or Japandi-style interiors. It works best in living rooms or bedrooms, creating a peaceful and clean atmosphere. Number 4. Cracked Pepper from Behr. Black doesn't always have to feel gloomy. Cracked pepper is a soft black with an elegant and versatile character. It adds a dramatic accent without making a space feel small or heavy. Use it on an accent wall in the living room or bedroom to create a modern and luxurious look. This color also pairs beautifully with white or gold tones for a touch of glamour. Number 5. Statement White from Behr. White is a timeless classic color. Statement White features an elegant, crisp white tone, like a graceful swan gliding across a calm lake. This color creates a spacious, bright, and modern impression. It's perfect for any room, especially if you're aiming for a minimalist and clean look. This shade also serves as the perfect backdrop for artwork, contrasting furniture, or textured decor. Number 6. Hidden Gem from Behr. If you want a more dramatic and luxurious atmosphere, Hidden Gem is the perfect choice. This deep jade green shade brings a mysterious yet calming feel. It's ideal for dining rooms, reading nooks, or master bedrooms. Pair it with gold accents, dark wood, or warm lighting to create an elegant and sophisticated ambiance. Number 7. Thermal from Behr. Thermal combines deep blue-green tones with a hint of gray, creating a warm and calming impression. This color is perfect for those who want to add a touch of drama while maintaining a cozy atmosphere. A living room or workspace will feel more focused and full of character with this shade, especially when paired with natural lighting. Number 8. Very Navy from Behr. Dark blue not only conveys a sense of luxury, but also depth and tranquility. Very Navy reflects the strength and calm of the night. This color is perfect for rooms with a classic or modern concept. Pair it with crisp white or gold accents for a bold yet elegant look. Number 9. Natural Gray from Behr. Gray has always been a popular choice thanks to its ability to adapt to a wide range of interior styles. Natural gray features a modern taupe undertone that creates a calm and balanced atmosphere. This color works well in almost any room, from bedrooms to living areas. Pair it with natural wood tones or black accents for a contemporary look. Number 10. Even Better Beige from Behr. For those who love neutral tones but want something with a bit more character, Even Better Beige offers a warm and soft touch. This color is ideal for creating a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. It's perfect for living rooms, hallways, or bedrooms. It can also serve as a flexible base color for rustic, classic, or modern decor styles. Every color has its own story and personality. From the cheerful energy of Jackfruit, the calming feel of Brook Green, to the elegance of statement white, Behr's color collection offers options that can be tailored to your lifestyle and personality. With the right color choice, your home becomes more than just a place to live. It becomes a warm and character-filled reflection of who you are.